Have you ever dreamed of crossing a finish line feeling like a champion? But that dream seems miles away because you haven't run a mile in ever? Don't worry, you're not alone. What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could transform from couch potato to 5K conqueror? This video is your ultimate beginner's guide to running, taking you from I can't even to I crushed it. Ready to ditch the couch and become a runner? Let's get started. Gearing up. What you need to get started. The beauty of running is its simplicity. You don't need a fancy gym membership or a ton of equipment. However, key things will make your journey from couch potato to 5K finisher more comfortable and enjoyable. First and foremost, invest in a good pair of running shoes. Visit a reputable running store where a salesperson can analyze your gait and recommend shoes that provide proper support and cushioning for your feet. Don't skimp on this step. A good pair of shoes can prevent injuries and make running a much more pleasant experience. Embrace the walk-run method, your 30-day training plan. Forget the pressure of pushing through fatigue. The walk-run method is your secret weapon for success. This dynamic approach alternates running intervals with strategic walk breaks, making 5K achievable even for beginners. By incorporating walk breaks, you'll improve endurance, reduce injury risk, and build a sustainable running habit. Here are 4-week plans. Week 1. Building the foundation. The first step towards your 5K goal. This week is all about establishing a solid foundation for running. We'll focus on building endurance and proper form through walking and running intervals. Don't worry about speed. Listen to your body and prioritize comfort over distance. Aim for 3 runs this week, keeping the runs short and manageable. You might alternate between running for 1 minute and walking for 2 minutes, or use a comfortable walk-run ratio. Remember, consistency is key. By the end of week 1, you'll be surprised at your progress. Week 2. Finding your rhythm. Week 2 is about building on your foundation and finding a comfortable running pace. You might be surprised by how much easier running feels compared to week 1. This is because your body is starting to adapt to the demands of running. Your training plan will likely incorporate a mix of running intervals and walking breaks during this week. The goal is to gradually increase the running intervals while keeping the walking breaks for recovery. It's important to listen to your body and adjust the pace or duration of your runs if needed. There's no pressure to be a speed demon. Focus on finding a pace that allows you to hold a conversation comfortably. By the end of week 2, you should start feeling more confident and in control of your runs. You might even discover a newfound enjoyment for running that keeps you motivated to push forward. Week 3. Increasing endurance. Congratulations! You've conquered the first 2 weeks and probably feel a newfound confidence in your running abilities. Week 3 is about building on that foundation and significantly boosting your endurance. You'll likely notice a difference in the distance you can comfortably run without stopping. This week's training plan will introduce you to the concept of intervals. Intervals involve alternating periods of running at a slightly faster pace with recovery jogs or walking breaks. This challenges your cardiovascular system in a new way, helping your body adapt to running for longer durations. Don't worry, the intervals will still be manageable, and you'll have plenty of recovery time in between. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to the plan, listen to your body, and celebrate each milestone you reach. Week 4. Conquering challenges. Now, you've reached week 4, a pivotal point in your training. Runs might feel easier, distances longer, and that coveted 5K finish line closer than ever. But with progress comes new challenges. Don't be surprised if you encounter mental roadblocks or experience some physical discomfort. This week is about embracing and developing strategies to overcome these hurdles. Listen to your body more than ever. While pushing yourself is important, prioritize proper form and recovery. If you experience pain, adjust your pace or take a rest day. Cross-training with activities like yoga or swimming can also help prevent injuries and boost overall fitness. Mentally, visualize your success. Imagine yourself crossing the finish line, feeling strong and accomplished. This positive reinforcement will keep you motivated throughout the week. Fueling your runs. Smart nutrition tips. Powering your runs is just as important as putting in the miles. Think of your body as a car. It needs the right fuel to perform well. Forget fancy pre-race meals. Focus on a balanced diet that provides sustained energy. Your best friends are fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. They'll keep your energy levels steady and provide the vitamins and minerals your body craves. Hydration is key, especially during runs. Water should be your go-to drink throughout the day. Make sure to sip even more before, during, and after your workouts. Consider an electrolyte drink for longer runs to replace lost minerals through sweat. Timing your meals wisely is another key to running success. Pre-run meals should be small and easy to digest, ideally eaten 1 to 2 hours beforehand. Complex carbs like whole wheat toast with nut butter or a banana with yogurt are perfect. After your run, focus on recovery with a meal with carbs and protein within 30 minutes. This could be lean chicken with brown rice and vegetables, or a smoothie with protein powder and fruit. Staying motivated, conquering mental hurdles. We all face mental hurdles on our running journeys. Maybe it's the dreaded alarm clock on a chilly morning, or that nagging voice telling you the couch sounds more inviting. The good news is, there are strategies to conquer these mental roadblocks and lace up your shoes with a smile. First, celebrate the small victories. Running is a process. Every run, even a short one, is a step in the right direction. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small it seems. Did you run a little further than usual? High-five yourself. Did you manage to squeeze in a run despite a busy schedule? Pat yourself on the back. Recognizing your achievements, big or small, will fuel your motivation and keep you moving forward. Staying motivated also means being kind to yourself. There will be days when running feels like a chore. Listen to your body and take a rest when needed. Pushing through pain can lead to injury. Instead, focus on the bigger picture. Maybe you can swap a planned run for a brisk walk or some yoga. Remember, even a break from running is a step towards your long-term goals. Beyond the finish line, maintaining your running habit. You've conquered your 5K. That's fantastic. But remember, the finish line is just the beginning of your running adventure. To reap the long-term rewards of running, you'll need to turn it into a sustainable habit. Here's how to keep those running shoes on your feet. First, reconnect with the joy that got you started. Was it the stress relief, the feeling of accomplishment, or maybe just a chance to explore your surroundings? Rekindling that spark will fuel your future runs. Running can get monotonous, so keep things interesting. Incorporate interval training or tempo runs to challenge yourself, or explore new trails to change the scenery. Joining a running group can provide extra motivation and a sense of community. Conquer your 5K goal and unlock a world of health and happiness. With dedication, this guide will take you from the couch to conquer that finish line in just 30 days. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. So lace up your shoes, embrace the journey, and get ready to experience the incredible benefits of running. That's it for your beginner's guide to running. Remember, there's a runner in all of us, so lace up those shoes and start your journey today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and motivation to crush your fitness goals. Happy running!